I believe that you can create gargantuan results in your business without a whole lot of knowledge about the area that you wish to experience success. I believe that you can turn a struggling business into a very profitable business in less than a year. I've coached a lot of people who say they're using attraction principles. Jeanna, I'm doing it, but I can't get them to work. So in this training, I'm going to share 11 nuances that will help you flip your attraction switch to full power. Hi, I'm Jeanna Gabellini of Masterpiece Coaching, and I've been helping entrepreneurs make more money and attract more 5-star clients with stress-free strategies for over 20 years. I'm also the author of Life Lessons for Mastering the Law of Attraction with Jack Canfield, Mark Victor Hansen, and my BFF, Miss Eva Gregory. Now, the Law of Attraction basically means whatever you give your attention to now is most likely what you'll experience in your future. That's how it works at a very basic level. But that's not really enough information to get high-octane results on a consistent basis. So here's the nuances of getting kick-ass results powered by your inner game. 1, you have to truly believe that thoughts create every piece of your reality. Every client, every income increase or decrease, and every person that supports your business, whether they're a vendor, an employee, or a contractor, they're all a direct result of your beliefs and your focus. 2, you have to know the essence or the qualities of your desired outcome in your business so that you can make a decision that you will get it, even if you don't know how right in this moment. Step 3, course correct when you notice that you're spending more time thinking about your problem or your lack of progress than the actual desired outcome. Number 4, give yourself some time to see the magical manifestations roll out, because at first it's gonna look like nothing's happening. But always assume that it is happening. It's happening behind the scenes. Kind of like when you plant seeds and you don't see the sprouts right away, but you know you planted the seeds, they're gonna come. Trust is like the sunshine to those seeds. And getting ticked off about the lack of evidence of your progress is only gonna slow down the process to a halt. Nuance number 5, practice. Practice. You've got to train your brain that results are a direct reflection of how you think. Course correct as many times as it takes. Be committed to your desired outcome for the long term. Nuance number 6. Make space for peace and fun. Without these 2 things, you're going to be slow to see results in your business and you're going to get consumed with overwhelm. Nuance number 7. Take action and implement new business strategies only when you feel it's the ideal action and strategy specifically for you. Always do a gut check before you move forward. How does it feel? Nuance number 8. Don't worry about what other people think or if they're doing better than you. You also don't need to do all that stuff you hear that business experts are saying that you need to do in order to be a success. Even me, if you hear me say something you don't like and it doesn't feel good to you, don't do it. Mind your own business. Nuance number 9. You have an inner business expert. Listen to the wise voice inside of you. You're being given direct guidance all the time that'll lead straight to prosperity. So it's your job to listen and then trust that information. Nuance number 10. Continually focus on what you're doing well and acknowledge any progress that you're making, even if it's teeny tiny. Because when you focus on progress, it'll attract more progress. And then pretty soon, you're gonna have an avalanche of evidence that you're a positive force to reckon with massive manifestations. And then nuance number 11, if an idea doesn't sizzle or something feels hard, stop. Let yourself regroup, connect back into your inner business expert, and then wait until you have a new way of moving forward or you feel re-energized in a way that will set you up for winning. There are more nuances to using the law of attraction successfully in your business, but master the above and you will be on your way to profit doubling fun. So do me a favor, let me know in the comments below which one of these nuances feels like it'll make a difference for you. And if you want more profit doubling support, download my free visual map and a tutorial. You can grab it at maptoprofits.com. And cheers to flipping that money-making switch.